Have you been feeling a little off lately? Maybe your joints are stiffer than usual. Your digestion feels sluggish. Or you're just more tired, even after a full night's sleep. You might be thinking, I guess that's just part of getting older. But what if I told you? These could be warning signs from your body. Signals that it's quietly struggling. Because of foods you eat every day, without even realizing the damage they're doing. Hi there. If you're over 55, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through 5 subtle signs that your body is begging for help, and the everyday foods that may be making things worse. Don't worry, I'll also share simple, delicious alternatives that can make a big difference in how you feel. Starting this week, let's begin with one of the most common signs. Waking up feeling groggy, foggy, or just not refreshed, even if you went to bed early. Now, yes, aging can change sleep patterns. But when your body can't restore itself overnight, it often has more to do with internal inflammation. And that's where food comes in. No entry sign, the silent culprit, refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, sweet breakfast cereals, pastries, pancakes or waffles made with white flour. They spike your blood sugar quickly, then cause it to crash. This roller coaster drains your energy and disrupts natural hormone repair that happens during deep sleep. White heavy checkmark what to eat instead. Slow-release carbs and healthy fats. Swap the toast and sugary cereal for steel-cut oats topped with chia seeds and cinnamon. Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. A slice of whole grain toast with mashed avocado. These foods stabilize blood sugar, help your brain and muscles recover overnight, and support lasting energy. Bell quick tip. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation. A small sprinkle can go a long way. Fire sign number 2. Your joints ache more than they used to. Another subtle signal? Stiff, swollen, or aching joints, especially in the morning or after sitting too long. Many seniors chalk this up to just arthritis. But did you know certain foods can actually trigger joint inflammation? No entry sign, the silent culprit. Processed vegetable oils. We're talking about oils high in omega-6 fatty acids, like corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, yes, even the light version. These oils are often used in packaged snacks, fried foods, and even healthy salad dressings. When consumed often, they throw off your body's natural omega balance and fuel inflammation in the joints. White heavy checkmark what to eat instead. Omega-3 rich fats. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Try fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines 2 to 3 times a week. A small handful of walnuts. Flaxseed oil or extra virgin olive oil for salads. Studies show omega-3s can reduce joint stiffness and improve flexibility, even in adults over 65. Bonus, these fats are also great for brain health and memory. These first 2 signs are easy to overlook, but they matter. They're your body's way of saying, hey, I need a little help here. And the good news is, with a few smart food swaps, you can feel better fast, often within days. Coming up next, why your digestive system may be crying for help. A surprising ingredient that weakens your bones. And the number 1 food that's aging your skin from the inside out. But first, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly health wisdom, made especially for adults 55 and older. Dash symbol sign number 3. Your digestion feels sluggish or uncomfortable. Bloating, gas, irregular bowel movements, or that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after meals. Sound familiar? As we age, our digestive system naturally slows down. But for many older adults, these problems aren't just about age. They're linked to what's on your plate. No entry sign, the silent culprit. Processed dairy and hidden additives. Many adults over 55 become lactose intolerant without even realizing it. That glass of milk, slice of cheese, or creamy sauce might be causing gas, cramping, bloating. Even worse, many packaged foods contain gums, preservatives, or emulsifiers that can irritate the gut lining, especially in sensitive bodies. White heavy checkmark what to eat instead. Gentle, gut-friendly foods. Try these swaps. Replace regular milk with unsweetened almond or oat milk. Choose fermented dairy like plain Greek yogurt or kefir, which support gut bacteria. Add prebiotic-rich foods like bananas, oats, asparagus, and garlic. Drink warm lemon water in the morning to gently stimulate digestion. Fun fact, up to 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, so taking care of it isn't just about digestion. It's about feeling stronger all over. Sign number 4, you're losing height or feel more fragile. Let's talk about a quiet issue that affects millions of older adults and often goes unnoticed until something breaks. If you've noticed, you're not as tall as you once were. Your posture is slumping. You bruise more easily, or your bones feel more brittle. Your body could be warning you that your bone health is declining. No entry sign, the silent culprit, too much sodium. You probably already know that too much salt can raise blood pressure. But here's what most people don't know. Excess sodium leaches calcium from your bones, weakening them over time. It's not just a salt shaker. It's canned soups, frozen meals, pickles, fast food, even some breakfast cereals. These often have hidden sodium levels way beyond what your body needs, especially if you're not drinking enough water. White have a checkmark what to eat instead. Bone-boosting foods. Focus on leafy greens like kale, bok choy, and collard greens. Sardines or salmon with bones, great natural calcium. Almonds and chia seeds. Low sodium, homemade soups and broths. And don't forget vitamin D, through sunlight or supplements, to help your body absorb that calcium. Bonus tip, add just 10 minutes of daily walking or light weight-bearing exercise to stimulate bone strength naturally. So far, we've covered fatigue, joint pain, gut issues, and fragile bones. And if you're thinking, that's me, you're not alone. These are incredibly common issues after 55, but here's the most important part. They are also changeable, often starting with just what's on your plate. But now it's time for one of the most surprising signs, and it shows up right on your face. Coming up next, white right pointing backhand index, a hidden food that ages your skin faster than time itself. White right pointing backhand index plus, a skin-loving nutrient you can eat daily to stay radiant well into your 70s and beyond. Glowing star sign number 5, your skin is aging faster than you are. Let's face it, we all expect some wrinkles and dryness with age. But if you've noticed, sagging skin appearing rapidly, deep lines forming faster than expected, skin that looks dull, tired, or inflamed, it might be more than just time. Your skin could be reacting to something you're eating. No entry sign, the silent culprit, added sugars. Here's the deal. Sugar causes a process in the body called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and youthful. The result? Collagen breaks down. Skin becomes less elastic. Wrinkles deepen. Skin tone looks dull. And it's not just cookies or soda. Added sugars hide in flavored yogurts, granola bars, bottled sauces, healthy cereals and juices. Even too much fruit juice can flood the body with sugar without the fiber to slow it down. White have a checkmark what to eat instead. Skin-nourishing foods. Choose foods that protect and rebuild collagen, such as berries, rich in antioxidants that fight skin aging. Citrus fruits, high in vitamin C for collagen production. Avocados, full of healthy fats for skin elasticity. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, rich in zinc and vitamin E. And of course, hydration matters. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water or herbal tea daily to keep your skin plump from the inside out. Herb bonus. Add bone broth to your diet once or twice a week. It's rich in natural collagen and may help support not just your skin, but your joints and gut as well. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more natural, senior-friendly health tips, and share this with someone over 60 who deserves to feel better every day. Drop a comment below. What's one food swap you're going to try this week? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of yourself. You've only got one body, and it's never too late to treat it right.